So today I'm reviewing this AirPod case. It's silicone and it's really stretchable, which is really convenient because I wanted to show you guys how to put it on mine, but this is a hard case and doesn't come off. Though I really like about this one, if you do drop it, it doesn't get ruined or cracked. Like this one has a few cracks already. So it kind of ruins the design, but this one, like, it won't ruin. Like, there's nothing. It's silicone, it won't crack. And I really like how it comes with this little thing to put on your like keys or whatever, and also comes with a cleaner to clean your AirPods, which is very nice. And you can pull this out and it's like very soft, and there's like a little brush here too. So that's very nice overall. So if you want to like get some good AirPod cases, then this should definitely be something you should consider buying because it's just overall great, and it's probably really easier to take off than this one because this one's really hard to take off. Like, I can't honestly take it off. While this one, it'll probably be much easier to take off since it can just peel off. Really, it's no effort. So yeah.